Hey guys, I think I'll bring you a quick little how-to DIY kind of project, if you will. We're going to remove the IMRC solenoids, actuators, and solenoids. Then do call it a sloppy IMRC Delete and Lockout kit. So, tools you'll need are, let's see, what size is this? It's a T25. Some snap ring pliers, a drill, and a couple zip ties. So you'll start off taking these small little snap rings out. You'll need a pretty small set of snap ring pliers. As you can see, they're pretty small, and there are two of those. Then after you get those out of the way, there are 3 bolts on each actuator, then 2 bolts up there. Zip those out right quick. Then you'll press that up. Ford actually used a little bit of pretty good sticky on there, so they're a little tough to get pried up every now and then. Then just pull straight out. And there that part is. Then you throw that in the trash, set it to the side, whatever you like to do with that. Now the fun part. Basically you want these to just stay in this location right here. So you could just zip tie that to that and hope it stayed in place. I like to go ahead and get a drill and drill you a small little hole in there, whatever size zip tie you're using. So basically keep it in line. Make sure you don't drill into anything actually into the runner. Otherwise you'll ruin the intake. So then you can run a zip tie there through there, so that way it's not going to slide backwards on you, slide off. Then get that right there. Make sure that's good and tight, not going nowhere. Do yourself a favor, get some nice dikes, either a flush cut or a semi-flush. That way it's not like a razor blade at the back of the intake manifold. Anytime you're working on it, it's going to slash you up. So then on this side, it's a little different. You got to drill 2 spots over here to keep it held down. There. This would be the drill from the bottom side. Then again, repeat zip tie. You could probably fix the whole world with like zip tie, duct tape, I tell you. So, make sure it's down nice and tight. give it a nice cut. And there you go. There is a IMRC delete and lockout done in a couple minutes time and whatever 2 zip ties cost you. So if you guys like this, let me know. I'll do a couple little tips, tidbits here and there. Maybe save some people some time, explain the process on some things. Just let me know. Thanks. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it. Thank you.